How to fix WhatsApp date is inaccurate. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can fix if your date is inaccurate on WhatsApp. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is simply make sure that, let's say we open up WhatsApp and it says that the date is inaccurate, the date and time is not correct. Well, in that case, you have to simply correct the date and time. So in order to correct it, you will not be able to do it from the default WhatsApp application because you do not have the option within the WhatsApp app. Instead, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and then simply launch the settings app on your phone. And once you launch the settings app, you have to go to the option called General Management. And as you go to General Management, go to Date and Time. Once you go to date and time, I would always recommend you to turn on the toggle next to automatic date and time. This is going to actually fix your date and time automatically depending upon your current location. But the issue over here is that if I go ahead and select a random date from the list right over here, let's say for example, if I go ahead and then simply select a random date, you will be actually able to notice that we do not have the option to actually use WhatsApp because we will not be able to use WhatsApp if our date is inaccurate. So after I change my date, you can see date is inaccurate, which means that our date is currently inaccurate. So in order to do that, we have to come back and turn on automatic date and time. So we will come back and then select WhatsApp, and you can see it will begin working again. And this is how you can fix if WhatsApp says date is inaccurate. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.